Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain the constituency tests and what's the difference between each one of them. Okay, we will start with the replacement. What is the meaning of replacement? It means that if you can replace a group of words with a single word. And here is an example. I bought a huge box of colors and my sisters bought one too. Instead of saying a huge box of colors again, I said one. I replace a huge box of colors with one. The second one is a standalone or sentence fragment, and that means that if the words can stand alone in response to a question, then they probably constituent a constituent. And here's an example. Ali ate at restaurant yesterday. I bought a question and I said, what did Ali do yesterday? I cannot say eat then I stop. I have to say the whole sentence together. I cannot separate them. So I said eat at restaurant yesterday. And that's the meaning of standalone. The third one is the movement. What's the meaning of movement? It means that if you can move a group of words around in the sentence. And here's the three ways of that. First of one is clifting. Clifting, it means that I bought, it was, or it is, or that before the constituent. Here's an example. My car made an accident. We know that my car is the noun phrase, so I say I bought, it was in the first, then I said my car which made an accident. It was my car which made an accident. Proposing, that means that we have to put the constituent first, then verb to be, then who or what. Like here, I like ice cream. Ice cream is what I like. And the last one is the passive. Constituent object, then the constituent subject. Here's an example to explain it. I eat ice cream. Ice cream was eaten. I put the subject in the first, then the object, then the subject. The second one of the test is the coordination. And what is the meaning of coordination? It's coordinate structures are constituents linked by a conjunction, and we know that the conjunction is and, or, and so on. It have to be in the same syntactic category. We cannot say noun phrase and verb phrase. I wrote it here. Noun phrase with the noun phrase, verb phrase with the verb phrase, adjective with adjective, prepositional phrase with prepositional phrase, adverb and adverb. Here's an example to explain it more. John and Sam traveled to New Zealand. John and Sam noun phrase. This noun phrase and this noun phrase, so it's be together. But I cannot say John and very blue. I cannot say John and adjective in the same because it's not in the same category. So that's the meaning of the constituency test. And we have to know that always we have to perform at least 2 different tests to check the constituency, because one alone may give us false results. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for listening. I'm Ghadar Weli, section 4 AK.